Hey guys, we are off to the beach. Say good morning, Jess.
Good morning, people.
We're a little stressed out because we just crossed an intersection or where there's a light and everyone was just crickets sleeping at the light.
You got to know how to drive through Patterson. Sometimes you got to you got to drive like you're running the ball, you know? And these people just standing there waiting to get tackled.
That's what happened. So we have packed. We're only staying overnight, so we have limited stuff packed. Got the fuelings, got the case of water, brought some Diet Dr. Pepper because can't live without it. And then I also brought one of my lean and greens, the Flavors of Home, just in case. And
all of my fishing gear.
All of Jess's fishing gear. A couple fishing poles, but the back is just loaded with stuff.
My cousin's down, and when we were kids, everybody used to go fishing. We used to hit all the blues. Grandma made the best fish.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens today, and you're coming along. See you over there. All right, so we stopped at a gas station. Jess ran inside. Oh no, he didn't. Here he is. What happened?
Where's my stupid mask?
I don't know. I have a whole.
It's in my pocket.
Here, I have a whole sleeve of them.
I want one of those. I want mine.
You don't want a blue one?
Mine have EKGs across them.
All right, so Jess is running inside to get me a Diet Coke. What are you getting?
Oh my God, it's right.
We always get like this right before a trip. Why? We're all discombobulated, always.
See, all these arrhythmias we're having.
Get me, please, a large Diet Coke.
Yes, dear, right away, dear.
Thank you, service. And I'm going to have my honey mustard sticks. Get the gas, go pull up and pick up Jess, and then finally get on the parkway. Ugh, it's taking forever.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this steady forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind.
We are at our hotel, up on the balcony, looking at the ocean. Look at that. Look at this view. Beautiful. Yep. Jody and Uncle Sean are about to do this big giant roller coaster. What? Oh my goodness, there they go. Oh my God. I love you. I love you. I get simple, right? I will, I promise. Oh my goodness. How was it?
Were your eyes closed? Oh, yeah.
Was it bad?
Yes, it was terrible. Was it bad?
You actually kind of come out of the chair a bit. Every time you kind of went upside down, you kind of lifted a bit. It was like,
Are you
woo!
okay?
Yeah. It started off terrible. In the middle, it was terrible. But the ending, though, was also terrible.
Well, we think you're very brave.
Yeah.
Going on a sky ride! Yay!
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this. wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing.
Staying on plan, but did have a vodka Diet Coke and got a really bad buzz. Right, Jess? Woo! Hit me like a ton of bricks, guys. You know? Alright, we're gonna say goodbye for now. Did you catch anything?
Said the checks win again.
What'd you catch?
A snapper.
That was nice. Nice little fish, about a foot long, foot and a half.
Nice.
15 inches. Nice.
Nice.
Nice one.
Alright, say hi to Brittany.
Hey, Britt.
Hey everybody. So Jess and I had way too much fun. I know it's not on plan to drink vodka and Diet Cokes, but I did. I had too many. I did. And I'm walking home with this little cutie. Jess bought me.
Yeah. Everybody, look around here. Everybody's closing up, right?
He bought him.
So there's some meth guy that looks like he had too much on the show Intervention.
Yes.
And I'm like, all right, cut.
I'm
So-
bringing him one.
Everybody's closed. and Lori, we're trying to find her hotel. And Lori's walking back. She goes, oh, a penguin.
I love him.
Everything is like shut down. Nobody's doing anything. And it's like,
And he, quick, we have 5 seconds.
and I said, can I give you $20 for a penguin? And he goes, yep.
Hey guys, so it looks like we closed the boardwalk down. And your girl here had too many vodka and Diet Cokes. Don't do what I did. Do what I tell you to, not what I do. Do as I say, not as I do. Here's the boardwalk after midnight. Nobody except a few people. And our hotel balcony is up there. So we'll see you.
Oh, wow. I would have kept walking.
We'll see you tomorrow. I want you all to see I'm leaving the hotel again.
What do you mean the hotel a gift?
What is it, Jess? Tell everybody.
Your fucking eyelash.
My eyelash. Let's see if they remove it. How will we ever know? We won't know. Bye, eyelash. It was nice knowing you.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one